Find x. 2 raised to the power 8 raised to the power x plus 2 into 8 raised to the power x plus 2 into 8 raised to the power x over 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x is equal to 24. Now the solution. 2 into 8 raised to the power x plus 2 into 8 raised to the power x plus 2 into 8 raised to the power x over 2 into x plus 2 into x plus 2 into x, and 2 raised to the power x is equal to 24. Please like and subscribe the channel and guide me in the comment section to improve the channel. Taking 8x common. Taking 2 into 8 x common, 1 plus 1 plus 1 over taking 2 raised to the power x common, then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 24. Now two into 8 raised to the power x over 4 raised to 2 raised to the power x is equal to 24. Here 2 into 8 over 2 raised to the power x. When power are same, then we can write in the same bracket is equal to 24. 4 raised to the power x is equal to 24 by cross multiplication. 2 come here. Then 4 raised to the power x is equal to 12. Taking log on both sides. Log 4 raised to the power x is equal to log 12. Now log x log 4 is equal to log. Now we factorize 12. 12 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, 3, 3, 1. This becomes log 4, 2 to the 4 plus 4 into 3. Now it becomes x is equal to log 4. We use here formula using log AB is equal to log A plus log B. Log 4 plus log 3 over this log 4 and this log 4. Now x is equal to log 4 is cancelled with 1 plus log 3 4. Now we verification. Here we use the this step for verification simplification. 4 raised to the power x is equal to 12. Now 4 raised to the power 4 raised to the power x, 1 plus log 3 4 is equal to 12. Now 4 raised to the power 1, 4 raised to the power log base 4 is equal to 12. Then 4 into using a log ab is equal to b. Then 3 is equal to 12. Then 4 3 the 12 is equal to 12. Verified.